The Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project for Saint Lucia aims to reduce urgent disaster crises and increase long-term climate resilience in Saint Lucia by addressing a multiplicity of risks associated with climate change and its impacts. The project consists of several components, one being risk reduction and adaptation measures. This component would support structural and non-structural flood and landslide risk reduction interventions and climate adaptation measures to improve St. Lucia's resilience against current and future climate shocks. Another critical element is the emergency response and recovery to carry out reconstruction projects, which may arise with varied climate change meteorological variations. On Friday, the 27th of November, 3 contracts were awarded in fulfillment of the DVRP's mandate.
Construction of the Bexon Community Center, or indoor facility for a better term. And that contract, which went through the competitive bidding process, was won by Jacob Construction at the price of $9,068,963.21. The second contract that will be awarded is for the land rehabilitation and roadworks in Bacatel and Forestier. We had some landslides in these areas going back to Hurricane Thomas in 2010. And you would see that these areas have not been addressed. It also went through the competitive bidding process, and the contract was won. The award was won by Fresh Start Construction at the price of $2,475,121.78. And the third set of projects that would be implemented during this phase is the Drvp South Drainage Project. And that is part of the also flood mitigation works within the Drvp South community.
The contract was awarded to Triple L Construction at a cost of approximately $3 million EC. The drainage works in Drvp South is intended to be completed by June 2021, the construction of the Bexor Community Center by December 2021, and the land stabilization and road rehabilitation in Bagatelle and Forestier is intended to be completed by November 2021. The World Bank Group came to the assistance of St. Lucia post-Hurricane Thomas and the December 13th trough, with the aim of rehabilitating damaged infrastructure and preparing the island for varied weather impacts. To date, $74 million has been secured from the World Bank through the DVRP for execution of these projects.
We want to place on record our appreciation for the level of commitment that we have seen at the level of the World Bank and the team that works along with us in St. Lucia, because without the support of the World Bank team, these projects would not have been possible.
The rehabilitation of the Victor Archer Building, the construction of the Drvp Wellness Center, the smart block at the Miku Secondary School, and extensive flood mitigation works are just a few initiatives undertaken through the DVRP. Colby DeVoe, HTS News Force.